birds take flight tonight, folding dreams till morning light. Cranes and stars in shadow glow, whisper secrets we'll never know. In my room with paper planes, chasing after soft refrains, simple folds and magic ink. We become what we can think. Fold away the fears and doubts. Paper wings can lift us out. Every crease a hidden tale. Origami heart won't fail. Shapes and figures on the floor, paper worlds like none before. Graceful swans and dragons burn in the flame we always yearn. Lost in cuts and paper scars, origami under stars. Fingers dance with nimble grace, find our dreams in every place. Fold away fears and doubts. Paper wings can lift us out. Every crease a hidden tale. Origami heart won't fail. Writing love on paper sheets, ink-stained dreams beneath the beats. Folded cranes and whispered sighs, our love's a poem